Hello little friend, come along. Oliver's here with a shape-filled song. Through Shape Town, what will we see? Come find the shapes with Oliver and me. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're always there. Point and find them one by one. Learning shapes is so much fun. Shapes, shapes, come and see. Learn and play with Oliver and me. Circle, circle, round and bright. Rolling wheels are quite a sight. Round little clocks go tick-tock-tock. Round balloons float past the clock. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're always there. Point and find them one by one. Learning shapes is so much fun. Shapes, shapes, come and see. Learn and play with Oliver and me. Square, square, four sides the same. Finding squares is our next game. Windows shining, blocks stacked high. Little square signs standing nearby. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. 3 straight sides for us to see. Rooftops pointing to the sky. Little flags go waving high. Rectangle, rectangle, long and tall. Doors and books, we see them all. A little bus goes rolling by. Rectangle windows catch our eye. Oval, oval, smooth and round. Look at all the ovals found. An oval mirror on the wall. An oval egg so smooth and small. Star, star, shining bright. Twinkling softly in the night. Stars on banners, stars up high. Little stars light up the sky. Heart, heart, what do we see? A heart-shaped cookie just for me. Heart-shaped signs along the street. Little hearts look oh so sweet. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're always there. Point and find them one by one. Learning shapes is so much fun. Shapes, shapes, come and see. Learn and play with Oliver and me. Look up high and look down low. Shapes are everywhere we go. Find a circle round and round. Find a square, what have you found? Find a triangle, 1, 2, 3. Find a rectangle with me. Find an oval smooth and long. Find a star and sing along. Find a heart before we're through. Oliver found them, can you too? Circles, squares, and triangles too. Rectangles and ovals, we found a few. Stars and hearts along the way. We found so many shapes today. Oliver smiles and waves goodbye as little stars twinkle in the sky.